Hello everyone, let's begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 27, Traditions. A culture or traditions of our vast country are portrayed by a number of rural and urban फेयर्स. हमारे देश के अलग अलग ट्रेडिशंस और कल्चर को वैरायटी से हम या विविडली कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, अलग अलग नंबर ऑफ फेयर्स से, यानी कि मेलों से. How well do you know the popular fairs of India? So in this chapter you are going to study about the various fairs of India which are respective to various people of various areas along with their cultures and traditions. Look at the pictures, read the given information and try to identify these traditional events. So let's now begin with it. The first one says that each year, 1st to 15th February, a special cultural festival is held in this small Haryana town near Delhi. The finest handicraft and handloom products are exhibited and sold here, and the Mela is known as Suraj Kund International Crafts Mela. Next we have the second one. This religious fair is celebrated 4 times over the course of 12 years and rotating between 4 pilgrimage places at Haridwar, Ujjain, Nashik and Prayagraj, and this is known as Kumbh Mela. Next we have held near Patna annually. It is the biggest cattle fair in Asia and the world's largest animal fair, and this is known as Sonpur Cattle Fair. Next is this fair at the convergence of the Ganga and the Bay of Bengal is held every year on Makar Sankranti, and the answer for this is Ganga Sagar Mela. The fifth one is the world's largest camel fair is held here every year near Ajmer in Rajasthan, and it is also the famous tourist spot due to the accompanying cultural programs and contests, and this is called as Pushkar Fair. The last one, that is the sixth one over given here, is that this desert fair represents handicrafts, music, dance and ethnic food and draws foreign visitors in droves, and this is known as Jaisalmer Desert Festival. I hope you have understood those 6 answers. Let's do the quick fact, and it says that the Tarnetar Mela, or what we say is the Tarnetar Mela Gujarat, is an unusual one as it turns into a marriage market for Kolis, the local tribe, and it also includes folk dances. Then there is your answer please, a question for children given over here in the chapter, and it says which fair is annually held in winters in Delhi. So which fair is held in winters in Delhi? This children, you have to look out for the answer and write the answer over here in the book. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood and it's very clear to you. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.